Voila, voila. Welcome to Olsen's Montenegro. Finally, we arrived in Montenegro from Albania. Now we are in Montenegro. So we are now looking for our room in this apart hotel. And abangan! Ciao, ciao! So voila, andito na tayo sa Montenegro. Mag-check-in muna tayo sa ating hotel and then parking. And then we're going down for look for our dinner time because it's already 5 p.m., 5:30. And then we're going down to Old Town. Kasi dito tayo sa taas. So abangan! Olsen's is one of the oldest settlements in the Adriatic coast. It was founded in 5th century BC. It was captured by the Romans in 163 BC from the Illyrians with the division of the Roman Empire. It was part of the Byzantine Empire and Serbian Kingdom in the Middle East until the Republic of Venice captured in 1405. So ngayon, after checking in, bababa tayo sa Old Town para maghanap tayo ng restaurant para sa dinner mamayang gabi at mag-ikot-ikot sa Old Town. Voila! We are now in Old Town sa the port. Ayan, yung mga parkingan ng kanilang small boats. Tapos akyat tayo sa taas. Ayan, mataas na tayo. And then, yan, ang ganda ng view dito sa Old Port City. Ayan, no, ang taas-taas niyan. Wow! Yan, may mga upuan at saka table and chair. Ayan, naku, malalim yan. Ayan, yan, bangin-bangin. Oh my gosh, pag nahulog ka dyan, oh la 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 la, pero ang linaw ng tubig. Linaw ng tubig. So ngayon, mag-booking tayo dito sa Old Town nila. Ang ganda. Sobrang linis. At saka, ayan, ready for the tourist, summer tourist na. Linis-linis. Ayan. Yan naman yung view sa baba para doon sa taas. Ayan yung taas. O, doon ang aming hotel sa taas. Ayan, nandito kami sa baba. Sa Port Old Town. Marami dito mga boutique, souvenir shop, restaurants along the, ayan, along the sea. Sea ba yan? Yan naman by night na. So yan, overlooking. Andito kami sa tuktok, kaya overlooking natin yan. Sa umaga, picture ako dyan. Ayan. Kinunan ko ng picture ang Old Town at saka yung Port City. Kasi yung aming balcony sa hotel, kitang-kita doon sa baba. Enjoy, guys! So, nag-walking tour kami dito sa Old Town. Meron kaming kasabay na buong class ng mga bata, kaya maingay yung aming mga katabi ng mga bata. Nasa likod lang namin. Nag-tour din sila dito sa Old Port City, sa Old Town. Ayan. So ngayon, iikot tayo sa mga mga restaurant dito at pababa. All since the great powers then persuaded the Ottomans to cede the area of Olsztyn, but the Albanians yet again refused. Eventually, the great powers commanded the Ottomans to take action against the League of the Presence, ending the resistance and successfully handing over the town of Olsztyn to Montenegro. After almost 300 years, the beginning of the 1878 Olsztyn is freed from the Turks, and after the decision in Berlin Congress on November 10, 1880, Olsztyn is annexed to the Principality of Montenegro. The First World War, Olsztyn waited as an integral town of the former Montenegrin Principality. So ayan, malapit na tayong matapos sa walking tour. Marami din kaming kasabayan ng mga estudyante, elementary. So noong araw, ang Montenegro ay part ng Yugoslavia. Pero marami silang gera nangyari, kaya pinaghati-hati ang country. May Albania, may Montenegro, may Croatia, etc. So despite its small size, Montenegro is home to 4 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, including the stunning Bay of Kotor, the Dormitor National Park, the Old Town of Kotor, and the Venetian Works of Defense from the 16th and 17th century. In fairness, sobrang naman ang linis dito sa taas. Kaya maganda rin mag-walking. Montenegrins are generally friendly and welcoming to foreigners, but it is important to be mindful of local customs, especially in rural areas. Montenegro cost of living is quite appealing, especially if you're coming from pricier parts of Europe. Ranked 85th of the Global Cost of Living Index, Montenegro is more affordable than many other places worldwide. This means you can enjoy beautiful landscape and rich culture without breaking the bank. Ngayon naman na yung view sa taas, pababa ng port. Ayan. So, ngayon bababa na tayo. Naikot na natin sa taas. So, until then, thank you for watching. See you on my next travel video in Kotor, Montenegro. Ciao, ciao!